How to activate Meta AI on Facebook. If you want to activate the Meta AI, this video is for you. The Meta AI is a recent feature that is introduced on Facebook and the other social media handles that belongs to Meta, maybe Facebook or Instagram and the rest. If you want to activate yours on Facebook, this video is for you. First, what you have to do is to locate your App Store or Play Store and then open it. On the home page, locate the search icon. In my case, it's located on the bottom right corner and I'm going to click on it. Then the search bar, type Facebook. Just make sure to select the one with this best match. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. The reason why my Meta AI on Facebook is not currently activated is because I haven't updated my Facebook. So let me quickly update it. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Depending on your network, it might take a bit of time for it to finish loading everything. As you can see, this is currently 92 MB. So just let the network do its work. A caveat to call out: anytime you want to have the best out of an app or platform, or to even remove any bugs, make sure you constantly update that app. So now I'm already around 56%. So within some shortest possible time, it's gonna finish loading. And there we are. Now we have 100%. So just make sure it's properly installed, and after it's finished installing, this will change to open. So the installation has started. After installation, you are good to go. Continue to click on open. Now we have successfully landed on our home page. To locate your Meta AI, just navigate to the top right corner where you see this search icon and tap on it, and there you are. You have Ask Meta AI or search. So if you want to search for anything that you require Meta AI assistant, you can put it there. And if you also want to chat with Meta AI, you can just click on the chat with Meta AI. So this will direct you to an inbox where you can have a proper personalized conversation with Meta AI. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.